So this is just a quick video to show you how to draft your witch's hat cone. A cone, when you cut it up one side, is basically part of a circle. So that's the first clue in how to do the maths. The next thing is that this angle increases proportionate to the edge that goes around your head. See? You only need two measurements to work this out. You need the crown, which goes around your head. In this case, that's going to be 54 centimeters because I'm making a hat for a child. And you need the slope length of the hat, which is going to be 20 centimeters because I picked that. The slope measurement is the radius of the circle, so R, and the 54 centimeters is some part of this circle, but we want to know where to put the other leg of this section. To do that, first we're going to need to work out how big this circle is, and that we're going to work that out using the circumference formula from school, which is circumference equals pi times twice the radius, which gives us, using a radius of 20 centimeters, a circumference of 125.7 centimeters. Now, we know that our arc on this bit is going to be 54 centimeters long. We want to work that out as a percentage of the whole circumference. So that's 54 centimeters divided by 125.7, then times 100, which is 43%. Now we want to work out this angle so that we can work out where to plot our other leg. So we multiply this percentage times 360 degrees. 43% of 360 degrees is 154.7 degrees. So we'll get our protractor and line it up with the center. Then 154.7 is about there. So draw in that other line so it crosses through that point. And this section is our cone pattern. Then you just add your seam allowances and use that to make your hat. I hope that helps.